everyone, so welcome to my channel, and today we will be learning what is Scratch and what you can do in Scratch. So Scratch is a basic online coding program. It is block based, and the developers of Scratch are MIT Media Lab. And before you get into Scratch, you need to make an account. So in Scratch, you can make like animations, projects, or games. So let's get into Scratch. And basically, we're gonna make an account. So right here, you're gonna look on your top right corner, and you're gonna see sign in or join Scratch. Click join Scratch, and then you can write in a random username. So I'll just be writing YouTuber. Sorry for the spelling errors. Oops, I can't type today, guys. Right, so YouTuber. And then you can type in a random password. Here, let me just change this 1, 2. And then you can type in a random password and then confirm your password over here. And then you're going to click next and select your country. You're going to click next. And then you can do your birthday. So this is my birthday. Then you can put in your gender and email address. So this is my email address right here. So let me just type that in. And if you don't have an email address, you can definitely use your parents' or yeah. So you can create your account. It's gonna create your account, and yeah. So you just get started in, and as you can see, you have like all these toolbars. So let me just sign into my actual account that I code on. So let me just sign into that. Alright guys, boom. So there we go, I'm signed in, and now you're gonna wanna learn the interfaces of Scratch. So basically, Scratch is a block based, like I said before, which means it's gonna have like these kind of blocks that you can drag in and code with. So basic sections of code block-based blocks are like motion, events, control sensing, and many more. And if you go right here, you can also choose an extension, for example, like music or audio. And every time you write a script in Scratch, you need to start with an event block. So these are different types of event blocks, and you cannot code in the event block. So if you were to do something like this, you can't do that because event blocks are starters of a script and you cannot code with them. So you can just start your code. Here you can grab in basically I just wrote a very simple code right there, and all this is gonna do is it's just gonna run this. So it's gonna say, when the green flag is clicked, we'll then move 10 steps. So that's very simple. And also, you can also pick out different sprites. You can either browse for one from Scratch, paint your sprite, upload a sprite, and there can be like a surprise. I don't know what that function is though. And you can do the same with a backdrop. So yeah. And also you can check out different costumes for your sprites or backdrops you can change. And there's also different types of sound. For the cat, there's a meow sound, and then coding. So every time you make a project or game or animation, make sure you title it to what it's based on, and make sure you click save, or else it's not gonna save it and then you might mess up. And then you can just go to your files and save it there. So this was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to comment down below. Comment down below if you guys want me to also make a tutorial for a game, which I will do in the next video. So make sure you watch that and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I post a video. So this was it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye, guys.